Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to disable message preview in Microsoft Teams. This is a useful privacy feature that prevents others from seeing snippets of your messages when they glance at your chat list, giving you more control over your workspace confidentiality. To get started, look at the top right corner of your Teams interface. You'll notice three dots positioned just before your profile icon. These three dots represent the More Options menu, which is your gateway to various settings and customization features. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open up the menu. Once the menu appears, you'll see several options listed. From these options, locate and click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings panel where you can adjust a wide range of preferences for how Teams operates and appears on your screen. The settings menu is organized into different categories on the left side, making it easy to navigate to exactly what you need. Now that you're in the settings panel, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various categories such as General, Privacy, Notifications, and more. Look for the option labeled Appearance and click on it. The Appearance section controls how your Teams interface looks and displays information, including message previews, themes, and chat layouts. Within the appearance settings, you'll see a section called Chat Density. This area manages how much information is displayed in your chat list and how compact or spacious your interface appears. Directly under Chat Density, you'll find an option that says Show Message Previews in your chat list. This is the setting that controls whether the first line or snippet of each message appears in your chat list alongside the contact name and timestamp. Right beside this option, there's a toggle button. Currently, if message previews are enabled, this toggle will be switched on. Simply click on the toggle to turn it off. The moment you do this, the setting will be applied immediately, and message previews will be disabled in your Microsoft Teams chat list. From now on, you'll only see contact names and timestamps in your chat list without any message content being visible until you actually open the conversation. And that's it. You've successfully disabled message previews in Microsoft Teams, giving you an extra layer of privacy in your workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.